Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Do you know, children, these are the cardboard boxes available to pack sweets? I have also got one to show you. Yes? Do you know? You all must have seen sweet boxes like this. Two
Yes.
sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimension 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 5 centimeter, and the smaller of dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter. You have seen this is half kg box, so this is a smaller one. The next size available with them is of which what amount? What quantity can hold?
1 kg.
Right. So that Shanti Sweet Stall also is placing an order for 2 such kind of boxes, right? For all the overlaps. Now, what is overlap? Let us see. Suppose I ask you children, find the total surface area of this box. Will you be able to do that?
Yes.
आपको बोलती हूँ जितना total surface area calculate किया, get that much cardboard and make a box. Will you be able to make?
Yes,
You won't
ma'am.
be able to make. You won't be able to make. See, this is cuboid, right? You will be able to put a cover on it. That will be the 6th phase. But अगर आप ध्यान से देखें, the top of the box, the cover of the box or the lid of the box, जो भी आप बोलते हैं, is also again cuboidal. It's not a flat sheet, but also cuboidal. अब इसका भी cuboid है, इसका भी cuboid है. Can you see when I'm going to cover it? This much is going to overlap. एक के ऊपर एक आएगा इतना portion. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The total surface area is counting this side only once, counting this surface area only once. But यहाँ तो, though it's smaller than this, but कुछ और area भी तो आएगा ना यहाँ पे. So this area is actually going to overlap. एक के ऊपर एक आएगा, उसके ऊपर आएगा. Overlap. It's not going to be like this. Please see carefully. It's not going to be covered like this, but like this. It falls down. बात समझ रहे हो बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
It goes down. It is not edge to edge. वो नीचे जाता है. जब नीचे जाता है तो ये overlap होता है. So उस overlap के लिए 5% of the total surface area is required extra. Suppose TSA is 100 centimeter square, then you don't need 100 centimeter square, but 100 centimeter square plus 5% of 100. How much is 5% of 100? What is 5%? 5. So 100 centimeter square plus 5 centimeter square. So total, how much cardboard is needed for one box?
105 centimeters.
5 centimeter square. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, if the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 such boxes. You need to place order for 250 smaller boxes, 250 larger boxes, bigger boxes, and you have to calculate how much amount of money you need to pay to that person जो आपका order पूरा करेंगे. So rupees 4 is being charged for 1000 centimeter square. So rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square means what? 1 centimeter square के लिए how much do you need to pay?
4 upon 1000.
4 upon 1000. I don't know what the area is. We will calculate it. Whatever the area will be. Whatever the area will be for, suppose x centimeter square is the area. So you will be multiplying this by
X.
x. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what is the plan of action? What is the plan of action? Plan of action is to find TSA of bigger plus small box. Do we have
Yes,
to do
ma'am.
this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After this, we need to add what?
Percent.
Whatever the TSA will be there, उसमें 5% add करना है बेटे.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
जी.
Yes, ma'am.
This will be for 1 boxes. How many such boxes do you need?
250.
250.
So when you multiply by 250, you will get the total area of the cardboard needed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If this x centimeter, whatever is the answer, this has to be multiplied by 4 upon 1000 to get the total cost. To get the total cost. Are you with me, children?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
See, beta, the calculations are going to take little time and the question is also little lengthier. So I would request you just to go through this. Recording is going on, so you will get to know everything there. Okay? I'm just sharing my screen with you, beta. Kindly do not note down anything. Just understand. I'll share it later with you. See. Can you see the steps here? We
Yes.
have taken the dimension of bigger box as capital L, capital B, capital H. For smaller box, we have taken small l, small b, small h. We have calculated TSA of bigger box, TSA of smaller box, and then total cardboard needed for one big plus one small box. We have done what? We have calculated TSA plus we have added 5% of TSA, right?
yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now 5% of TSA means 5% means 5 upon 100, of means into. So that way we have come to the conclusion that 2184 centimeters square, which is a big amount, which is a big area. 2184 centimeters square of cardboard is needed for how many boxes?
250.
Ma'am,
No, I have
No,
not
one
multiplied
box.
the two. For
One box.
big and one small. For one big and one small. So 2184 is needed for one big and one small. So area of cardboard needed for 250 big plus 250 small boxes. What are we going to do here, children? We shall multiply the total area by
250.
G, bacha?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
fine?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
would suggest you don't multiply. Why I am asking you not to multiply? Because this is not the thing we want. What do we want ultimately in the question? We
Cost.
want to calculate
Ma'am, the cost.
cost. So cost can we again have to multiply it by 4 upon 1000. So this
Yes.
1000 and 250 will get cancelled. So let's wait. So we will now write cost of 1000 centimeter square cardboard is equal to rupees 4.
4.
Cost of 1000 centimeter cardboard is rupees 4. Therefore, cost of 1 centimeter square cardboard will be equal to
Ma'am,
4
4
upon
rupees per
1000.
1000.
rupees 4 divided by 1000.
1000.
And this gives me total cost of cardboard to be paid for 250 small plus big boxes is equal to rupees 4 upon 1000. And what is the total area needed?
250 into 2184 centimeters square.
Yes, 250 into 2184 centimeters. Centimeter square, so we won't be putting, no? The unit is rupees. Now, can you see? It's easy to cut these two.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. On
ma'am.
4.
So we need not multiply there. We need to be little smart with regard to calculations. So 250 into 1, and this is
Ma'am, 4.
4. And again, 4 and 4 will get.
Cancel.
Cancel out.
Cancel.
So what are we left with?
Ma'am, rupees
Yes,
184.
2184.
So we need to be careful that if we have to multiply and divide further, so kindly wait. What would have happened otherwise? You would have wasted your time multiplying 250 by this. And then again, you would have cancelled, multiplied by 4 and divided by 1000. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?